Also, there's a good reason, if you're wondering this, that would be how you can put a vector inside of a vector. That's a different conversation for a different day, but that'll be addressed. It's just we don't know enough yet to understand the reasoning behind that. All right, so we got to learn a couple more things. But that, unfortunately, is the thing we have to take on faith at this point until the moment where we don't have to take it on faith anymore. All right, so I think this sounds like a great opportunity for bonus because I'd like to tell you that I'm going to go home and stare at that problem for hours on end until I figure out why that U1 goes to 1. But I'm not going to. Like, I'm going to come in tomorrow and do one of two things. Either fess up and say, yeah, I totally forgot to do it, but most of you don't care anyway. Uh, or I'm going to ignore it and hope you forget. It's going to be one of those two possibilities. So instead of doing that, and I'm kind of letting future self off the hook, I'll give a couple bonus points to the first person who can come up with a reasonable justification for why that U1 would go away. Or I'll also take this, find the flaw in the process, because maybe it was supposed to cancel out way earlier and I just missed it. All right, so honestly, I don't know what the answer is, so I don't want to quantify the amount of bonus because if you turn in 5 pages of work and that's your justification, I feel pretty lousy only giving you 2 bonus points for that. But if it's a simple explanation of, well, because of this, and it's like, oh, okay, why am I giving you 5 bonus points for that? So yeah, give you a little something. Don't assume that somebody's turned it in before you if you want to tackle this opportunity. Also, uh, another way to go about it is assume somebody's turned it in before you, but that they're wrong. Right? If that's the case, then you still have an opportunity to get some bonus. And it's also possible that 3 people can turn in 3 completely different but correct explanations. So I'll give bonus to all 3. Okay?